you can even use red oil or salt.
How you go use red oil or salt? Who don't use that one before?
Many people now.
You don't use them before.
Why you go use them?
Why you call the recommender since you didn't use them?
You know red oil is good for body.
For Akamu.
No. Last time now, you were teaching me how to prepare
and I
meat.
hope you learn better.
Wetin I learn?
Why you not learn?
Single thing I no learn. Okay now. Okay, let me ask you simple one.
They teach you something, your mind go down that place. Now you no learn. May I repeat them again?
No repeated it now.
Okay, which one you want me to teach you today?
Okay, which can teach me? I want to know so that I will know the ones so I will give
Believe by the person they teach you something. They
okay. No, pap is very simple. How to prepare pap is very simple. So, how you take the prepare your own pap? That one is simple.
Pap. How to prepare pap days?
Pap. How to prepare pap days? See my I tell you. Normally. You see pap. Hey, pap now one of the easiest things to do, but very hard.
Now for you, now you know they hard for me. Now how
pap is very hard.
Ma teach you listen.
Wait.
You know they hard. Listen. Listen. Ma teach you how to do this.
The worst thing that will do any girl that is sick. The worst thing that will happen to any girl is visiting your husband place for the first time, and your mother-in-law give you pap to prepare. If you visit your husband place, maybe
give you pap, you prepare.
just that day your husband is okay. Nne come now, I go show you my people so that they will see whether I go marry or not go marry, and you come. Either the night or the next morning, the family say na pap they want take. I know now, as somebody will just come, now you go prepare the pap. Just
okay, let me
they pray to your God that the medicine no even for your hand.
Man teach you how to do it.
How to do it?
It's very easy.
Okay.
First of all, make sure say you don't boil hot water.
Make they just woto.
You go the boil.
Woto.
As in the boil, you first go make sure say that Akamu. You know there are many different types of Akamu.
Okay.
You get Akamu yellow. You get Akamu white. Get dawa. But now dawa they like well.
No be in the other one.
Which one? Which one again?
Continue.
Three types of Akamu now.
No be that one they used to add that. No be this one. Just don't worry. Continue. So how do you prepare them?
Then let's say now yellow Akamu.
All of them is not the same thing. Pap is pap. It's not the same
procedure.
Sometimes
you get some wey be say they before you know it, they don't enter water. Water don't they carry them, they now.
They go where you
down for fire again. But now let's say you bring that pap straight to the point. How to prepare pap? How to prepare pap? How to prepare pap? Listen.
Okay.
Good. Now as you boil that water in the bowl, you get your plate there. Bring that pap, put them inside. Now just make sure say this is some small.
No, but that's the thing. You like saying that papa will just go take now. That's not the
no, see, you just pieces some small. As you pieces some, pour on cold water. Understand? As you pour on cold water, you use that spoon, roll them small. Then come pour out the hand. They call them sapagaka.
Okay.
Then wash out that hand. We do that account. You don't wash our hand.
If not my hand, you wash and come out.
Any hand at all, you say you don't buy that account, you must wash out the hand.
No, I mean the one that
it doesn't mean.
Okay, you just wash out.
You wash your hand. That's the way to do the account.
Okay.
Now you come add small water. Come turn that account. You know why you go put small water?
Why?
Why be say as you dey pour hot water so that you go hold that account.
That can go this strong.
Yes, because if you come over pour the account itself water. As you dey pour that hot water,
for the first time.
you go there water. Now you say like I'm about minute. Yes, take note. Akamu about minute. That's what they call it in my language, Igbo. Now, as you put them small, small water, you turn them, small. Make sure say the Akamu pieces that is very very smooth so that oga abambo.
Okay.
You get me tambo na the Akamu. That's it. You need a pinch, tie off. Yeah, you just then another thing you go do, you use your spoon, carry and pop. You go do You go still dey little thick. You get. You no go just dey water.
Be like say you go enter school, go dey teach physiology.
You understand? You go just dey thick. You dey get.
And they get.
Fine. Then you come pour that hot water. Now, there are ways to do it. It's either immediately you add your sugar inside before you pour hot water. That is another one.
You that talking about sugar, do you use sugar?
I don't normally use sugar.
And
But in case you are using sugar,
okay.
you understand, you can put maybe 2 or 3 of your sugar.
Depending on the quantity of that.
Then you come the and
I don't know whether you do based on fact. I will ask me to use only.
Personally, I don't like using sugar in my pap. So I love milk and so that is it.
I'm not talking about what if you like, you can even use red oil or salt.
How you go use red oil and salt? Who don't use that one before?
Many people now.
You don't use them before.
Why you go use them?
Why you call the recommender since you didn't use them?
You know red oil is good for body.
For Akamu.
No. Small children, if you are preparing pap for small children, you can add small red oil. And don't forget that vitamin something they give.
Okay, don't forget my recommend.
But you can still take it.
I know they take. Make don't finish for market.
Try red oil. Try red oil.
Guys, I beg more than one so did they use red oil for Akamu?
Sure.
Comment below if they use red oil for Akamu.
Yes.
Because I never hear them say that they use red oil.
Now man you be now, women go know. See, women on a go be a me witness.
I beg wanna just tell me if they use red oil for Akamu or not. Because at least say they will tell me say no.
Muna comment.
Okay.
Tell us,
No,
prove me right.